Good morning. We're going to experiment with technology again today. So I'm going to show you a new way to do things. We are in Google Draw and we have a periodic table of elements here. So today you are going to color code the elements based on their categories. Are they a metal, a non-metal, or a metalloid? Now, you've already watched a video, you've already read your notes, you've already created a graphic organizer based on what are metals, what are nonmetals, and what are metalloids. And you can Google a color-coded periodic table. So you have a reference. So today what you're going to do is you're going to use the shape tool to circle and color code each of the different types of elements. So I'm going to give an example with the text at the top. You're going to first go to shape and choose either the square or the oval. Either one will work. And then you are going to cover the area that you are wanting to circle. Then you're going to go to the paint bucket, the fill color bucket, and click transparent. And then the pencil with the line under it right next to it is going to change the color of that border. So all metals, we are going to make blue. Now you see you have this nice little blue circle around metals. We'll do the same for nonmetals. We're going to cover it up, go to the paint bucket, make it transparent, go to the pencil, and we're going to make all nonmetals green. And then metalloids as well. Choose your shape, cover it up, change the fill color to transparent, change the pencil color, and we are going to make metalloids red. So all metals will be circled in blue, non-metals in green, and metalloids in red. Only you're going to be doing this on the periodic table. Now, when you look this up on Google, you're going to find that there are big chunks that you can color code at one time. But then there are some places where you're probably going to have to do one at a time just to get the proper color in there. So, for example, I know that hydrogen is a non-metal. So I'm going to make it transparent and I'm going to turn the color to green. Now hydrogen is highlighted in green. I'll give you another tip. If you go to this set of lines right here, you can make that green line a little thicker so it's easier to see. Happy circling!